Nala, leave it. Come on. What's that play? It's a mixture of dominance and it's a mixture of play. On Raven's part. Aria. Aria, so in case you haven't noticed, that's Bella. So Helen's got Jude for the day, so Jude can have a day with Nanny number 2, and I have a day with Bella doing some training. So yeah, it's always best to get outside, because whenever a new dog's brought into my pack anyway, the energy ramps up. So it's always a good idea that they get the energy out. So she spends some time with some of the dogs, but not all of them. How many times she really spends with them is the couple of shows we've been to. And then she spent probably more time with, like, say, Dudley, Judith, maybe sometimes Raven, because they're the dogs I don't generally take to shows. Pod, you better not be thinking of doing what I think you're doing. Hey, enough. Pod, you gonna look at me? Pod, sit. Sit. Wait. So that's impulse control. Wait. Okay. So they're all just doing a mix of interactions with her, because they've certainly not been around her as a pack or loose. And out of all of Helen's dogs, she's the one I've actually seen the least, but she's the one who's got the most connections to everyone. Well, I say that, I like the most direct connections, because she's Lily's daughter. Lily is Disney's sister. Pod is her dad. So that connects to Nala as well. And that's, I suppose, actually where the connection is, because not all of them are connected so directly with Nala. So yeah, it means Aria's her auntie. Disney is her great-grandmother, and her auntie, because pedigrees are funky like that, because it's her auntie as well, because Lily is her mum and Lily and Disney are sisters. So anyway, it connects her then to Pumpkin and Raven and Jude, because excuse me, Jude is Pod's auntie, Disney's daughter, and Pumpkin and Raven are Pod's cousins. So anyway, she's related. We'll leave it at that. I think she's going to do zoomies, which isn't very good in a pack, because they tend to go, nah, calm down. They're not being too bad, actually. She's more in control, I find, of her energy, just watching her now, than Dora is. Dora's like bouncing off the walls and doesn't level down like she's done. She still wants to run, but she's controlling it. She's having a little burst, see? But then she's sniffing, so she is a lot more in control. they've gone bird chasing now, so they'll be quiet. Where are birdies, Raves? Where are birdies? So, yeah, she's actually slotted in well. She's been here 10 minutes, you know. So this is quite interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to train her a bit this morning, then go for a walk, then train her a bit this afternoon, and then I gotta go to the pharmacy, so I'll drop her off on the way there and pick up Jude again, because then that way I haven't got to drop her off early in the morning before going to the carriage dog trials. That's kind of the plan. And I'm really sorry they've gone far away to run around like donuts, but well, you got fevers. You were mature and lovely, Phoebe. You pretty girl. Yeah, you pretty girl. Whee! Up! You've forgotten you got bad foot now, have you, Pumps? So, she went a little bit lame on the walk yesterday. She had a break. And then she was hopping on 3 legs. And she was still hopping on 3 legs this morning, but she's running around like that now. And obviously I've looked and checked her foot, and she might be slightly sore between toes, but can't find any thorns, any swelling, any heat, any cuts, any scrams. Nothing to say why she's hopping around on 3 legs. So she probably twisted it, she probably sprained it, but it really isn't a fraction of how bad she's pretending it is, you know. So I'm walking back over this way now because Sarah's here. So I might leave this video as it is. Since between 5 and 10 minutes is roughly what you guys like, or some of you guys like. So, and then it gives me room to film another one without needing to upload this one first. You pretty. Come on then, let's go. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave this here and see you all soon. Bye.